Now guys, we will going to talk about the Microsoft Edge structure, okay, how it looks like. So let's take a very famous example with apple.com. So everyone knows this big brand, right? So using this brand, we will try to understand how Edge structure works, okay? So scene is that, for example, if you will just go here, so let's say if we just click on this Mac, okay, if I just click on this Mac, so I can see that MacBook Air is one type of computer they have. MacBook Pro is another type of computer, similarly iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Studio and Mac Pro. So there are total six products in their computer category inside Mac. Okay, so like Windows laptop, so they have Mac laptops, and like Windows laptops has lots of types, so similarly Mac has lots of types. Okay, that is MacBook Air Pro and all these things. Okay, so now what we will going to do is that we will try to teach you guys about Microsoft Edge structure, okay, Edge account structure. First of all, this is your Microsoft account, which you guys can see over here, okay. Now inside this Microsoft account, you guys can create unlimited campaigns. If you will click here, so from here you guys can create unlimited campaigns you want to, okay. So this is what I just want to teach you. Not unlimited, but still it's that much that you will be sufficient. I guess there's some limitation of 1,000 or 10,000 campaigns, but I guess no one will going to create that much campaigns in their one account, right? So that's but obvious. So that's why I said that you guys can create almost unlimited campaigns over here. Now guys, like Google Ads structure has, so similarly Microsoft Ads also has this same structure. First will be of campaign, okay. Second, in the second level will be ad group, and in third level will be keywords and ad, okay. Now inside Microsoft account you can create unlimited campaigns, okay. For example, I can say that one campaign is, let's say, Mac. We can create one campaign for, let's say, Mac. Awesome. Okay. So if you just go to Apple's website, so here we have Mac as one campaign. We have created one complete campaign for Mac. Okay. And inside this Mac, we have lot many types like MacBook Air Pro and all these things. So inside any one campaign we can create unlimited ad groups like ad group 1, ad group 2, similarly we can create ad group 3 and so on, right? But let's take with one example only so that we can make you guys understand everything. For example, in ad group 1 we can put, let's say, MacBook Air. Okay, so what we can do in the ad group 1, we can put MacBook Air. Simple. Similarly in similarly in ad group 2 we can put MacBook Pro. So you guys should understand, wait, let me just write here MacBook Pro. So you guys should understand that in campaign, inside one campaign you can create unlimited ad groups, ad group 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, okay. But that campaign should be related to that ad groups. That means, like here you can see I have created one campaign for Mac, and whatever category I am creating, that means whatever ad groups I am creating, it is also related to the Mac only. Okay, simple and easy. There's nothing complicated. Okay, so I am just creating one campaign that is related to MacBook, okay, related to Mac, and inside that campaign I'm creating ad groups which is also related to Mac. So this is what you have to make sure, that whenever you create any campaign, so whatever campaign you will going to create, so that campaign, okay, should have one proper category. For example, we have Mac as a category, and inside that campaign you have to create ad group, so that ad groups also should be related to that same campaign. For example, if we just go ahead with, let's say, iPhone, if I just go here to, let's say, iPhone. Okay, iPhone is very popular in their brand, so you can see iPhone 12, 15 Pro, iPhone 15, iPhone 14, etc, etc. So same you guys can do in the campaign. You can make iPhone. Okay, now you have created the campaign as iPhone, so it but obvious that the ad groups should also be related to the iPhone itself. So what we can do is that we can say like ad group 1 should, let's say, related to iPhone 15. Okay, sorry, 15 Pro it is. Okay, let's put that 15, and let's say ad group 2 is, let's say, related to iPhone 14, and so on. Awesome, simple, there's nothing complicated. Similarly, my friends, let's take with some another brand. Okay, for example, let's say pets food. Click on enter, and now let's open one brand. For example, let's take this brand. I don't know what the brand is, so let's take the idea from here. Okay, so for example, you can see that this particular brand gives food for, or sell food for pets. Okay, so what we can do in the campaign, we can say the campaign is related to pets food. Awesome. And now in the ad group, as I have mentioned that this campaign is related to pets food, so now the ad groups should also be related to somehow pets. So what we can do is that we can say like here they sell, you can see dog food, cats food, and so on, right? So I can say here dog pet food. Okay, or let's say cat food, or cat food, or whatever it is. But you can see now our ad group is also related to the pet. So hope you guys are understanding the concept which we are trying to teach you over here. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood. So whenever we will going to create campaigns in Microsoft Ads, you will have to create campaigns, and inside that campaigns you can create unlimited ad groups. Now that ad groups should related to the campaign of whatever category you are putting. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood with example about the campaign and ad group. Now let's go to more in depth. Now in every ad group you guys can create keywords and add for that. For example, let's take this ad group to here. Okay, for example, in this case we have here ad group 1, and inside this ad group 1 we have put as a MacBook Air. Okay, so now inside this ad group you guys can create unlimited ad 1, ad 2, ad 3. So ads are basically the creatives, okay, which people will going to see, the ad which people will going to see. For example, if you just search on bing.com, wait, and if you search for digital marketing course again, so you can see that these are all ad. You can see ad here, you can see it's written ad. So you can see these are the ad. Okay, and this is what we say it as here. You can see ad 1, ad 2, ad 3. So inside any ad group you can create unlimited ad. Now that ad should also be related to ad group 1. For example, here you can see we have ad 1, ad 2, and ad 3. Now all these ad are related to the ad group. For example, our ad group in this case is ad group 1, which is related to MacBook Air. Okay, and the second one is also related to ad group 1 only. Okay, so now hope you guys have somehow understood what is ad. So basically ad is the creative. Ad is basically what? Creative. You can see where you put titles, images, or let's say descriptions, and these are the extensions. We will going to teach you how to create ads and all, but somehow you guys are understanding the concept. Okay, so here we have one more thing, that is keyword. Now question arises, what is keyword, by the way? Okay, which is also very much important to us to understand. So basically keywords are basically of course in the Microsoft Ads we will going to teach. If you just go to tools, you can see we have keyword planner. So here we will going to get keywords. Now keywords are what people are searching for. For example, here you can see I have searched for digital marketing course. So I am telling to Microsoft Ads that whenever someone will going to use this keyword digital marketing course, now keyword is this one, digital marketing course. It can be another keyword like digital marketing course Google, digital marketing course free. If I search, let's say MacBook Air, this is also a keyword. MacBook Pro, this is also a keyword. MacBook Air M1, this is also a keyword. So basically keyword is what people are searching, okay, on the Bing in this course in the Bing search engine. So whatever people are searching in the Bing search engine, so that is known as keyword. Now my friends, the best thing is that on the basis of your keywords you can show advertisement. For example, I have told, let's say if I just search for digital marketing course, so you can see here we have ad. Here you can see ad. Oops. We have here ad. Here also we have ad, right? So these companies which are running ads, so in our case this is Upgrade. So this company has told to Microsoft Ads or Bing Ads that show my advertisement, which they are showing right now here. So they are saying to Bing Ads that show my advertisement when someone will going to search for this keyword. Okay, similarly this company has also told to Bing Ads that whenever someone will going to search for this keyword on the internet, so show my advertisement. So this is what you guys can do. Okay, so basically your advertisement will going to show on the basis of keywords, or your ads will going to show, or your ads will going to pop up in front of users on the basis of the keywords. So make sure that whatever ad group you have, for example, this ad group 1 is related to MacBook Air. So whatever ad you will going to create, ad 1, ad 2, ad 3, so this ad should have keyword, okay, and this keyword should also be related to the MacBook Air only. Okay, for example, if I just search for, let's say, MacBook Air, so I have this keyword MacBook Air M1. Okay, so I can use all this keyword in this particular ad group. So all these things we will going to step by step guide you inside this course how we can do that. But this is how the Microsoft ad structure looks like. Okay, it's very simple, very easy to understand, nothing complicated. That whenever we create campaign, so it will going to have one campaign, and inside that campaign we can create unlimited ad group 1, 2, 3, 4, and each ad group should be related to the main campaign. Okay, like the main campaign is Mac, so all the ad groups inside this campaign should also be related to the Mac only. Okay, but with some changes. So I've just shown you with the examples. Okay, and inside these ad groups there can be unlimited ad, but all these ads should be related to the ad group only, and this ad will only going to show on the basis of keyword. And how to find keywords and all, we will going to discuss that later on. But this is how the Microsoft ad structure or Microsoft ad account structure looks like. Okay, there's nothing complicated. It is exactly same as the Google Ads. Okay,